What driving privileges are granted in Ohio OVI cases? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. In Ohio OVI cases, there are two types of suspensions, the administrative license suspension and the court suspension. For both of those suspensions, judges can authorize driving privileges. For the administrative license suspension, before you look toward driving privileges, you may first want to look to see if there was a problem in the way the administrative license suspension was imposed, because that may get the suspension terminated. If that doesn't work, you may want to ask for a stay of the suspension so that you can drive while the case is pending. If neither of those are available, then you may want to ask for limited driving privileges. And courts are authorized to grant limited driving privileges, and the Ohio legislature recently expanded the scope of privileges. For the second type of suspension, a court suspension, there are two types of privileges which may be granted. The first, like the administrative suspension, is limited driving privileges. Again, those privileges are limited in scope. But the second type of driving privileges on a court suspension is what is now known as unlimited driving privileges. If you request unlimited driving privileges and they're granted, then you have to install an emission interlock device in your vehicle. That means you have to blow into it for the car to start and for the car to remain running. Now, the idea of unlimited driving privileges may sound better than limited driving privileges, but if there is any kind of violation regarding the ignition interlock device, then further sanctions are imposed and a jail sentence is imposed. If you're thinking about the issues of limited driving privileges or unlimited driving privileges, then you've probably been charged with OVI and you may be feeling overwhelmed. If so, what I recommend doing first before making any decisions or taking any action is educate yourself. There are additional videos and there are dozens of pages about OVI topics on my website. Also available on the website is an ebook which you can download for free. So as you educate yourself, I hope that you find all of these resources are helpful.